Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Speak English Together. And as you know, I'm here to improve my English, and this is day 6 of Practice English with me. And in this video, I'm gonna to tell about what did I do today, because I did some different things today. And today I went my friend's house and I enjoyed a lot because I talked to her family. I spent 2 or 3 hours here, and you know what? My friend bought some new clothes and she saw me, and I like that clothes because I want to try this. You know what? I tried the new clothes, and I also wear some jewelry, and I also try with different style which are suitable on me. And you know what? I do a lot of I did a lot of things here because sometimes when I was time sometimes when I was time I prefer to go there. That's why today I went there, and I returned my home. But before that, I had some snacks before leaving her home. Then I come at my house. After that, I recorded this video. I'm recording this video because I haven't time, because I spend a lot of time here. That's why it's too late, and I have no content. I think what will I share with you? That's why I'm thinking, you know what, today share what did I today. So that's why I'm telling you. I know I make a lot of mistakes, but it's okay because here I want to improve my English, and I know if you will support me and guide me, definitely I will correct myself, and one day I will speak English fluently. And that is my goal, to speak English fluently. And you know what? After that, I did a lot of things here. There, and you know what? I talked to her sister, and she was very naughty because I have a lot of fun because of her sister, because she was very cute. That's why, and very funny girl. And you know what? I tried new clothes, and I want to buy like that dresses because I'm fond of stylish clothes. That's why. And you know what? I didn't want to go there, but I thought, let's visit her home. That's why I went there. And you know what? I want to record this video there. But I thought, no, my same place is perfect for this video. So I'm recording at my house. And because I didn't want to show, because I make a lot of mistakes, and she is very fluent in English, and she was a little bit fluent, but I know, you know what, she also helped me in my English when I make a mistakes, and she is very supportive and caring girl. And you know what? She was my classmate but she is my friends because she is always supported me. She always supported me. That's why. And you know what? I'm very lucky to find such a great friend because she shared all the things with me. I hope if I make some mistake, you will support me and you will tell my mistake in a comment section, because if you tell my mistake, I will correct step by step. So that's the way I can improve my English. I know you know what, today I was busy, but I didn't want to skip because I really like the consistency. That's why I haven't content, but still I'm recording this, and I am telling all the things I did today because I didn't want to skip today. And because I like consistency, and you know what, I didn't skip this day, because if I skip a day, it means I give a freedom myself, as I am thinking. That's why I want to limit it, because if I decided to complete these challenges, then I will definitely do in any situation. That's why I didn't want to skip this, and I'm telling all the things in the front of you. I hope you are getting my points, understand. I know I make a lot of mistakes, but if you tell me, then I will correct myself. And you know what, I observe myself. I also improving little bit day by day, because I enjoy learning English daily and I practice daily with the front of you guys. And after that I practice in the front of mirror. And I read, as you know, I read English books, and I read some story, because this is very helpful to improve English. And I also today in the morning I read some vocabulary and I understand this. Yeah, so this is all for today. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.